Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's 2025. You're probably more crypto curious than ever. And in this video, I just want to kind of like highlight 3 crypto exchanges that you can use on your PC, laptop, mobile phone, and basically get yourself into the cryptocurrency sector and markets. And usually when people like Google and start to begin, they usually lean towards Coinbase, Binance, which is completely fine. But I personally think there are better alternatives that I enjoy using more in these markets. I find the user interface and user experience far more enjoyable, and it's just easier for me to, get through the exchange and just enjoy it, right? So it's kind of like, Netflix, you get a bit spoiled for choice, and with so many options, it's really hard just to pick one. So hopefully in this video, I can make it easier for you guys to just narrow down some exchanges that I personally think are really, really good. Now, let's talk about it. Of course, you've got so many coins out there, thousands of different tokens that you can buy. You've got your Bitcoin, you've got your Ethereum. We've got meme coins now, and meme coin supercycle is just an absolutely huge narrative in the space. And of course, if you're not using a DeFi wallet, like a hot wallet, then you're probably going to be wanting to have an exchange to buy these on spot or on a future side if you're applying leverage. So overall, meme coins are pumping. The market is looking pretty juicy. I just want to say welcome to the channel if you're new here, and thanks for any new or existing people watching. That's amazing. If you're wondering, what we do around here, we talk about memes, we talk about crypto. We've got a massive Discord channel as well called Jacob's Crypto Clan, which is my Discord, 37,000 people in it. You're welcome to also join the Discord. It's completely free to join down below should you wish. Now, we're going to just jump into the exchanges, of course. And the first one is going to be KSEX. KSEX is an exchange that I love using. The reason is it offers the lowest fees in the entire cryptocurrency market. It's no joke. It's a true fact. You can see here 0% maker, a 0% taker on the spot fees, and the futures has a 0% maker and a 0.01% taker. Effectively, what this does mean is that you're going to have way more money over time. The more volume you trade with, the more money you're trading with, you're going to preserve more of your precious hard-earned money and keep more of that for yourself over time. You can also see they've got deposit and withdrawal fees at absolutely zero. And usually a lot of exchanges out there will charge a decent sum of money just to take your money or move it or put it somewhere else, And you can see this applies to hundreds of coins in this particular exchange right here. So very excited to see the future of KSEX, and for me, it is one of my personal favorites. Now, there is a small downside to this exchange. I would say the overall downside is that if you actually want to get funds onto this exchange, you would need to fund it from another exchange, which is kind of contradicting, or a wallet or something like that, rather than actually directly on-ramp from your bank account into this particular exchange. But it's all good, guys. I've got another solution for that, where you can use 2 different exchanges in tandem, one to actually deposit into the exchange, and then for one to actually then send over from this exchange or another exchange to this exchange. So basically, yeah, this is it. And you can sign up in seconds, guys. There's a link down below. Anyone can sign up to this exchange in seconds. And also it allows you to buy crypto safely. Why I like this exchange, there's no KYC, so you can remain anonymous if you want to. You can also go down the verified route if you want to. And also, why this exchange is good as well is because it's globally accessible. There's no geographical restrictions as far as I know. Now, just looking through, they've got tons of pairs, loads of new coins, from memes to Solana network to Toncoin to just new pairs that are, trading and listing. And yeah, overall, super bullish. You've got AI coins, which are going pretty crazy at the moment for some reason. And just in general, it's a good exchange, guys. I really do like this exchange. You can see here, actually, what is exciting is when you deposit, you can choose, for example, your different coins. For example, if I wanted to now deposit in, I don't know, let's say I want to deposit Aave into my exchange. I click here and it's going to give me my ERC20 Ethereum Aave address right here. Alternatively, if I wanted to put in some, I don't know, some Cardano or some AI Doge or anything else, or Algorand, which is an ERC20 Ethereum coin, I believe. No, it's Algorand, actually. We're going to get our Algorand address there. Solana address, if I wanted to do that. I can see right here, I've got my Solana address to send to this address from another exterior platform. So for sure, it's really easy to do. You select your cryptos, you copy and paste this deposit address. So if you're on like MetaMask wallet, or if you're on like another exchange, you would then withdraw from that exchange or wallet into your KSEX coin of choice, if you want to call it that. So yeah, for sure, very cool exchange. I do like it. And like I say, I do a lot of spot trading here. I do a lot of leverage trading here. This is the future side. You can see here, you've got your isolated, your cross, you've got your actual leverage. Your X's here, so you can actually go up to over 100x of some coins as well, where you can do your long positions, short positions. You've got all your orders down below, your position histories as well, order histories, and some different things too. So it's a cool exchange for sure. Now, another one I really like is MEXC. MEXC, you're going to find more limitations depending on where you're from, so I don't think you can use it in some places like America. Really nice UX, it's colorful, cool exchange, highly secure, loads of liquidity for this particular exchange as well, which makes it a very safe pick, and I think that's why people like this exchange so much. I would definitely put MEXC up there as being one of the best exchanges in the crypto space. Of course, with this one, you can actually on-ramp your fiat currency into this exchange, which makes it super easy. They also have savings here. So for example, you can actually stake your USDT on a flexible 6% term, which is super good. That's better than what most banks offer. They're also doing like a temporary exclusive new users 100% APY on Tether as well. And they've got some staking rewards for many other coins, which is a rare thing to see in this crypto space. Well, not that rare really, but over it's cool. They're also doing copy trading, so you can copy some big traders out there in the markets if you want to for MEXC. Again, I've got a link down below to sign up to MEXC, where you could be eligible for some juicy bonuses and startup sort of trade rewards for you guys. So yeah, always cool to see that you can copy other traders out there. In terms of MEXC, they've got their spot exchange here. So when we look at the spot side, which I'll show you in a moment, this is the future side, but the spot side, it's seriously tidy. I believe it's this one right here. And in my opinion, it's just nice. I like a good UI. I like a good UX. You can see how tidy it is. On the right hand side, you can just type in the different tokens. If you want to look at like, I don't know, Brett or something, it's going to be here. So all those meme coins that you like looking at, all those meme coins that you enjoy in the market, it doesn't matter what coin that you want to find really. MEXC is pretty much going to have almost every trading pair that you could think of. Their future side is also very similar to KSEX, I would say, in the sense that the layout is very, very similar. So I like this very simple layout. You can change your isolated and cross on the margin mode. You can change your leverage very easily. You can also see down below, you've got all your different widgets and things that you need to keep track of your trades. And of course, you can change what coins you want to go leverage on that top left side right here. So again, another really tidy exchange, could be worth having a look at, signing up to for this 2025. Whilst I say it's a verified exchange, it does boost security and safety when using it. And it is a juicy exchange in my honest opinion right here. So do have a look at it. It's super easy to deposit into. Like I say, when you click deposit crypto, you can do things like P2P trading. You can buy crypto with Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and bank transfer. It just takes seconds. So the way I would operate in this crypto space, if I was someone that's just completely new and fresh to the markets, I would use an exchange that I trust, such as MEXC. I would sign up to MEXC, and once I've done that, I would then put X amount of fiat into the exchange. Of course, follow all your rules and regulations from whichever country you are from and make sure you abide to those rules. But what I would do is basically I would, if I didn't have crypto, I would then do one of these options to get some money into the exchange. I would use MEXC as my vehicle for putting fiat into the blockchain sector. And then once I've done that, let's say we put some fiat into the ecosystem, and then we go over to the spot side, because the spot side is where effectively we can then go and buy some Ethereum or something. And what I do is I buy some Ethereum, and then I would simply sell it for Tether, something like that. And then I've got my USDT, which I then withdraw out. I'd actually deposit then after this some USDT. I'd find my USDT address, which we can see is going to be here. When you click ERC20, you're going to get that address show up, and you can then withdraw from MEXC into your deposit address of KSEX. So basically, I'd go MEXC, fiat currency in, withdraw into KSEX, nice and easy. Maybe I'd keep some in MEXC anyway and do some trading there, hold more on the spot side. But maybe I'd want to use KSEX as my leverage trading to take advantage of these lower fees and the no KYC element. It's always good to sometimes have, a bit of diversification with your your allocations and where you're spreading your sort of capital, so to speak. You don't need to keep everything in one basket. It's also kind of better from a security point of view. You know, if unfortunately something bad did happen and you did lose your funds in the future, at least you've still got a reserve, you know, area for those funds as well. So for sure, MEXC number 2, I know I'm dragging on in this video, but I think this is a good exchange to be looking at the moment. The next one is another one which is still a super duper good exchange, Global Crypto Derivatives Exchange. It's called Bittrex here. They've got tons of trading pairs again. It's nice. It looks very crypto-y. I like the green theme for sure. I use this one as well for some leverage trading mostly. And you can see here, they've also got a bunch of copy trading that you can do. Similar to MEXC. Less liquidity overall. It is globally accessible, and I believe no KYC if you don't want a KYC here. They're also doing a 2 Bitcoin giveaway, so if you want to enjoy that, the challenge is still live as well. You can sign up down below to be eligible for this and try and win some Bitcoin through Bittrex. You can see Bittrex, this is their leverage side. This is what their futures platform looks like. They've got a lot of pairs. They don't have as many as MEXC and other platforms, but they've still got a generous amount of pairs right here. And I do think it is a good looking overall exchange. You can actually see you've got the buy and sell here, where I believe you can sell your cryptocurrencies for actual USDT. You can also purchase crypto via third-party applications. So you do have like Alchemy Pay. You can also use payment methods like Apple Pay, MasterCard, bank transfer, and also, you know, Visa as well. So this one is another good on-ramping into the sector from your fiat legacy, you know, fiat currency. This is crazy how we call it legacy currency now. And, you know, like crypto is just the new currency and fiat is just the old currency that's becoming obsolete or something. But yeah, you can also purchase the crypto via third parties. So Bittrex is another really good exchange here, guys, that's worth also checking out and considering. They've got lots of benefits, copy trading. They've got referral rewards if you want to share with your friends. They've got, you know, the chance to win Bitcoin and stuff. And also right now they're doing welcome bonuses. So if you want to also enjoy these bonuses, use my link down below to enjoy some bonuses in the markets. I would say overall Bittrex is kind of like MEXC and KSEX combined, except truthfully, the fees are higher and you will feel those fees over time. That is a truth. I don't want to be lying, but if you just want something that is a one size fits all, one-stop crypto shop, maybe Bittrex has more of that kind of feeling about it. But overall, for me, I prefer to use just the MEXC, the KSEX combination. I think that's really lucrative. It's a good pair. They support each other well, and it kind of makes sense from a logistical point of view. And yeah, just is fun. I prefer it that way. So that's about a wrap, folks. 3 exchanges that crypto beginners, intermediates, advanced, professionals, whatever you want to describe yourself as, can use. So coin number 1, I say coin number 1, exchange number 1, we've got KSEX. Check it out down below, boys and girls. We've got the MEXC exchange also down below, and then we've got Bittrex also down below for you guys to check out. If you are someone in this market that wants to actually make more gains, achieve time, location, and financial freedom, you can also check out my Patreon. We've got over 500 patrons now that are supporting, that are getting unique benefits such as early alpha calls, future signals, trading signals, stealth launches, insights, analysis, news, education, courses, insights. You know, there's loads. And when you become a patron, the link is down below. And what this will then enable you guys is VIP access straight into my Discord channel, which is called Jacob's Crypto Clan. So we've been putting basically a lot of alpha calls in here recently. The trading signals are doing super well. I could show you a few here. As you see, a lot of the traders are making big gains at the start of the year. So if you are going to sign up to an exchange and you actually want some signals to get you through the exchanges on your spot, on your futures side to complement the sign up, then also do check out the Discord here, because it is designed to hopefully, you know, maximize your crypto journey, help you achieve time, location, financial freedom, and all those good things. You can also see we've got the ultra early announcements. This is where we put like high risk, high reward tokens. Some of them do very well. We recently had the SPRM token, which made a 4x plus for the crypto legends in here, made some really big gains, and people made some great money. So for sure, check out the Patreon. Thank you for watching, and check out those exchanges too. You will hopefully get some rewards using my links. Comment down below what your favorite exchange is and which one you'll be using this year, because I'm super curious and I might review more in the future. Bye for now. Peace.